Let's talk about how rich people make their money and keep getting richer. The key idea is that assets put money into your pocket while liabilities take money out. The more assets you have, the wealthier you become. Today, we'll walk through 10 key assets that rich people use to grow their wealth. One of the most common ways rich people grow their wealth is through stocks. Stocks are essentially small pieces of ownership in a company. When you buy a share of a company, you own part of that business. And if the company does well, the value of your stock grows. Stocks can be bought individually, or you can invest in mutual or index funds, which bundle many companies together, spreading out the risk. Peter Lynch, a legendary stock investor, made huge profits for his investors by picking successful companies in the stock market. Cathie Wood, the CEO of ARK Invest, made headlines for her bold stock picks in innovative technology companies. Jeff Bezos became one of the richest people on the planet as Amazon's stock value exploded over time. Next up is cash. Rich people often keep large amounts of cash on hand, not because it earns a lot of interest, which it doesn't, especially with inflation, but because it gives them the flexibility to jump on opportunities when they arise. If a great deal presents itself and you don't have cash to take advantage of it, that's a missed opportunity. They can also get higher returns through deals like lending money to others for interest, which can be much higher than what a bank would offer. Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest investors, always keeps a large cash reserve to seize investment opportunities. Apple, the tech giant, holds billions of dollars in cash reserves for flexibility. Elon Musk has used cash strategically to buy and launch new ventures, like his acquisition of Twitter. Another big asset is real estate. Rich people love real estate because it generates income through rent every month with minimal work. Plus, property values generally rise over time as more people need places to live. Real estate can include homes, office buildings, commercial spaces, or even land. But remember, the house you live in isn't considered an asset because it costs you money rather than making you money. Donald Trump built much of his fortune through real estate, owning massive skyscrapers and properties. Barbara Corcoran, a real estate mogul and Shark Tank investor, made her fortune by investing in New York City properties. Grant Cardone, a real estate investor, has built a huge empire of rental properties, earning millions annually. Bonds are another way people invest. When governments or companies need money, they sell bonds. You buy a bond, and they pay you interest. Bonds are considered low-risk investments because they're often backed by the government, though that also means they don't offer huge returns. Bill Gross, the bond king, made his billions through bonds at PIMCO. Ray Dalio, founder of the world's largest hedge fund, balances stocks and bonds to reduce risk. Even Warren Buffett invests in bonds, especially government bonds, to preserve wealth. Other assets that help rich people stay rich include equipment, such as cars or computers if they help make money, patents, which protect inventions and let companies pay to use them, and trademarks, which protect logos, names, or phrases, and can earn money if others want to use them. For example, Elon Musk's Tesla uses advanced equipment to manufacture electric cars, making technology profitable. Thomas Edison held over 1,000 patents, earning royalties from many of them. Michael Buffer, the famous boxing announcer, trademarked his catchphrase, "Let's get ready to rumble," and has made over $400 million from its use. Brands and goodwill are also valuable. Brands are how companies are seen by the public, while goodwill is the positive feeling people have towards the brand. These are intangible assets, but they can make a company hugely successful. For example, Kylie Jenner built a billion-dollar brand with her lip kits. Nike has a powerful brand that makes its products more valuable just because of the swoosh logo. Apple is another company that has incredible brand loyalty, with people buying their products repeatedly due to the trust and love for the brand. Lastly, people themselves are an asset. Businesses succeed because of the innovative and hardworking people behind them. That's why companies are willing to pay a lot to hire or even acquire startups just to get talented individuals. Steve Jobs was invaluable to Apple, revolutionizing the company with his vision and creativity. Sheryl Sandberg, as Facebook's COO, played a crucial role in growing the company into a global giant. Elon Musk is another example of a leader whose ideas and drive have built massive companies like Tesla and SpaceX.